The first stream was what we call as a colonial history writing. The second stream was the historical scholarship done by the luminaries of the New Indian Renaissance. Then the third stream roughly began in the 1930s. This stream of historical writing, it was imbued initially with ideological motives, which later, became rampant and acquired frightening levels of power. And this stream of history writing generally began in two major places. Both are in Uttar Pradesh. The first was in Aligarh, the second was in Allahabad. Even today, if you ask these veteran fossilized Marxists, right, they look back fondly on something called as Aligarh School of Indian History and Allahabad School of